calling. Yeah, I fell off for a minute, but I'm back ballin'. Better come and get your bitch, boy, she back on it.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a fisheye effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, go to opacity and select the ellipse mask. Create a mask. Then hold shift and stretch it to make it more circular. If it doesn't look like a perfect circle, slightly scale it up until it looks right. Next, increase the feather value. You can go up to around 500. As you can see, this already creates a nice, smooth effect, and honestly, it already looks pretty good. Now search for the lens distortion effect. Drag it onto your clip and set the curvature to around 50 to 70. You'll notice that the video itself becomes smaller because of the curvature. To bring the image back into the frame and make the fisheye effect more visible, add the transform effect. Make sure the transform effect is placed above lens distortion, so it only affects the video. Now increase the scale, and you'll see that it really starts to look like a proper fisheye effect. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you want to instantly improve your edits, check out our shop, where you'll find high-quality effects, presets, and tools to level up your videos. Link in bio.